How to take ownership of a course on WeVersity.org. Go to your dashboard and click Add Courses, then choose Take Ownership. Locate the course for which you would like to take ownership. Take Ownership button. A new page titled Request Course. Ownership will open. In the Personal Information section, your name, email address, and contact number will be filled in automatically. Complete the remaining required fields. LinkedIn profile, URL relevant, experience your course. Plan. YU. Once all required information has been entered, click Submit Request. Your course ownership request will then be submitted for review. Your request will typically be reviewed within 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, the course will appear in your My Courses section. Note: course ownership is subject to approval. The course will only be added to your My Courses section once your request has been reviewed and approved.